Hello, in front of me I've got Ajazz AK820 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change TFT Screen GIF. In the beginning, prepare TFT Screen GIF that matches the size of the screen. Next, let's go to Ajazz App and go to TFT Screen. Select New and select GIF. Now you can adjust colors, you can add text, change font size, activate time synchronization, and you can save the GIF. Then you can upload to keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.